All right, guys, we got a 2025 Dodge Durango RT Plus, which is all the time four-wheel drive, all the way from the beautiful state of Arkansas. So here we go. We're gonna let you guys hear it before. Go ahead. All right, stay tuned. Here's sound decibels before. Right at 93 at peak. So this is the 2025 Dodge Durango RT all-wheel drive, RT Plus they call it. So stay tuned. We got that Durango all the way from Arkansas. Putting some 5-inch dips, a full system with Carven R's. Right there, X-Pipe, my boy Juan welding up the hangers on it. Look at his welds, guys. Look at these welds. You can't get those nowhere else. Right, Juan?
For you guys. For you guys.
Just for you guys. And then we got a Charger RT that we're doing a rear muffler and mid muffler delete on. The rear was already done. Compare this to these beautiful new pipes. All for you guys, so stay tuned. 2025 Dodge Durango 5.7 HEMI. Heavy, babe. All the way from Arkansas. I love it. I appreciate him more than he knows for coming down. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done. It's only got 2,100 miles on it. Factory converter. He's like, I bought this car, and I said, nobody else is going to touch it except exhaust static. So he drove down, and we hooked him up. So let me show you guys the system that we did on it. Converter, then the piping. Then we added 2.5-inch pipe in the middle, took the mid-muffler off, and replaced it with 2 Carven R's right there. Here's the part number on them. CVER25. Right there, 2 of them. Nicely put on this beautiful Durango. Then X-Pipe after, we added that in. Here's the part number on that. Then 2.25 pipe continues out the back on each side. Then we took the 2 resonators out in the back and replaced them with our signature 5-inch rolled stainless steel tips by 18. Here's the part number on them. And that's what they look like out the back. Clean, nice, just beautifully done. And this is the Durango RT Plus, which is all-time 4x4, four-wheel drive. It's like the police edition, kind of. They sell it to the public now. There's the 2 resonators that were on it, right there and right there. And the ugly 3-inch tips that I don't know why Durango does it. And then there's the mid-muffler that we cut off also. That's what they look like. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. All right, guys, here we go. 2025 Durango. Much better. That's perfect.
Yeah.
Woo. Let it idle for a second. Carven? Sounds good. Here's idle, guys, now. 77, 78. Give it gas. That sounds good. Again. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 107. Right at 107. Again. One more. Located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Our address is 3560 Dickerson Pike, right down the street from Skyline Hospital. And right before Due West Avenue. One more. That's sick. Let you guys hear on the inside. I think he's happy with it. He likes it. Dodge Durango Hemi 5.7. Beautifully set up. 2025. Now it goes back to Arkansas, guys. He drove down here from Arkansas, 8 hours to get that done. Just for here. I'm telling you. Come on down anytime, bro. Carven R, guys. Woo! No rasp whatsoever, as you guys can see with that Hemi. That's not bad at all. I love that setup. That's one of my new favorites. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments.